The crappie hit the crankbait?
Julian don't want to eat it. That's kind of cool.
Oh, yeah, right there, man.
It's kind of like watching topwater almost, you know?
Yep. Pretty nice one. There you go.
Is that a bluegill or a crappie?
Crappie.
Yeah, I told you. That's 2 on mine. 2 on mine.
All right. You gonna take a picture with him or anything?
I'll just take a picture of him.
Okay.
Got it.
All right. And that's a bass. Yep. There you go. And look at that. That is nice. All right, back he goes. Bye, Emery. Thanks for coming. All right, hold on. I'll get it. I thought I took it off. Julian.
It's a little
Bluegill.
Yeah,
All right, here. So you want to hold it like this with your hand out front here. You want this left hand out front, and then you want to reel like this. And here it comes.
I thought I lost it because I couldn't see it.
There it is.
A bluegill again. I got another fish already. That's a small one though.
Oh boy, he ate it. She's on fish number 4. And it's another crappie.
Hey, Alan. We're about to leave in a couple minutes. So.
What? Why are y'all leaving?
We gotta go do some things.
All right. Well, catch a couple more.
I think I know what title we should use.
What's that? Fishing with Julian. That should be it. What'd y'all catch the bass on?
My mom caught it with my
Oh, with your minnow. All right, Julian. Hold it.
Hold him.
Pinch.
Pinch him. You got him on?
There you go. All right. All right, walk down there and put him back in the lake. Don't stumble. All right.
You're going to camp, right?
Yeah. So yeah, we'll do some fishing down there week after next.
Okay, well we gotta clear our lines off so we can go.
All right, cool. Gracie, y'all catching any? What are you using? Worms? Well, if you want to change the minnows, we got minnows. Colton's probably got some in that bucket.
Some over here.
Oh, okay. All right, well, thank y'all for coming. So you're leaving at 5. All right, we'll see.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So the catfish are biting on the crawdads.
Oh, they're crawfish in there.
But it's only for like 4 kids that earned it.
There he goes.
All right.
That's a big one. Be careful with the top
They're like, you're doing
of the fence.
and it's just not fun.
Yep. All right, sling him on back.
Shoot, I'm about to sling him down. I always hate dealing with catfish, I must say. Because they always.
They have stations to go through the whole thing, but it just wasn't.
You're dirty, but you know better.
So the catfish are biting pretty good on these crawfish. So I'm just hooking them back here. And they're just coming out their tail. He's ready to go. Hold his claws like that, so you got him. And take your hooks.
him through the middle of the tail or something?
I just hook him through the tail right there and then
Okay.
just go a little bit and pull it back out like that right there.
All right, how far have they been eating these?
They've been down. Well, you can put him on the bottom. You don't have a bobber, so I just put him on the bottom and wait.
All right, but like how, like are they out in the middle?
Yeah, I'd go out to the middle with it, yeah. Set the hook. There you go. Gonna have to tighten that drag a little bit probably. What's it look like, bass or crappie? Crappie. That's why he was having a hard time. He was trying to, oh, well that was a good release.
Oh, gotcha.
All right.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. All right, swing it around here. I'll put your minnow on.
That's because of the way you set the hook.
I don't want to whack you in the face.
Look, don't you know, when you're fishing and you set the hook, whoever's a bystander just shouldn't be in the way. You know how many times I've been hit by somebody setting the hook?
I mean,
A lot.
probably by Doug too.
All right, that's you. Throw it right back in that same spot. Oh my goodness, it's a grass monster. Oh, there he is. There you go. All right, throw him back. Easy. Yeah. I got a good fish down there at the corner.
Yeah, they do.
You got a crappie.
Oh yeah, that's a good crappie. That's long. He's a long crappie.
Come here, buddy.
I can't believe I ain't got a bite.
You're gonna get the minnow.
You killed the minnow, so we gotta get you another one anyway. Here, give him that one. Oh man, that's awesome! Oh man, look at that crappie.
That's big.
That's a good crappie.
Ouchie.
Austin, what you doing showing up now? I'm kidding. All right, put him back.
Slab.
Looks like a little bass. Oh, crappie. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, no.
He unhooked himself and he is free.
How about, buddy?
Back he goes. Choo! Got whacked. Looks like another crappie. All right, rod up. Yeah, nice. Little minnow's still alive. Good crappie. All right, another minnow coming up.
Sure you don't want to sit?
No, I'm good. All right. Yeah, the crappie and bass are usually pretty good up here in this corner. All right, toss him back. Cool. Oh, you got a catfish. They're eating today. Uh-oh.
That's a big fish.
All right, I'll put your minnow on. Okay. Hey, Briggs, bring him over here and let's see him. They look like good fish. No, I'm gonna put one on for her now and put you on.
What's she have?
Oh man, look at that. Wow, that is nice. You know, weigh him, the scale's right there. Turn it on and then hook him. All right, let's see if we can find that fish again. So what you want to do when you see him going down, you want to reel this till it's tight and then it's about to go. Reel. Now pull up hard. He's on there. Keep reeling. Rod, tip up. That's got to be a catfish. It's got to be a catfish. Rod, tip up. Oh, he's coming. Keep on reeling. Okay, you ain't making too much headway.
That's what I said.
That's all right. He's coming now. I see him. He's coming. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ye old catfish.
Catfish today.
No.
Really green. Look at green.
Old caddy.
No, I like going like deep sea offshore.
Man, I love doing that out of the Keys.
I want to go to the Keys. I've never been.
Oh
Like,
man,
I went.
I went 4 times in the last 6 months.
How many miles you got on your truck now, dude?
149. That's a 2020 though. It's a 2020. The thing stays in the road.
My truck.
Yeah,
But it's an 04, so.
yeah.
I
Mine's 2014 and like it's 200.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this thing's just got a catch in it. I know. Yeah. He missed it. He had a bite on that one. Still got a bunch of minnows and a couple of crawfish left. And we had a pretty good day. Was like 91 degrees. And I had a real bad allergic reaction to the grass. So I got to go home and take a shower and maybe some more antihistamines. But I had a good time. Kids caught fish. I don't think I had anybody leave that didn't catch a couple of fish. So that was a good thing. Anyway, stay tuned and see you on the next one. If you love fishing, please subscribe.